Scotland, woman pushes huge lorry up icy slope. Sign up for latest news plus tips to save money in the environment. Subscribe. When you subscribe, we will use the information you provide to send you these newsletters. Sometimes they'll include recommendations for other related newsletters or services. Our privacy notice explains more about how we use your data and your rights. You can unsubscribe at any. Charlene works in Asda and has 3 children. She told the Daily Record she was just popping to the shop for some iron brew and snacks when she spotted the lorry struggling to get up a hill in the town center. The video of her pushing the back of the lorry to safety has gained over 200,000 views and more than 3,000 likes. One person commented, "I saw this with my own eyes, that truck's engine wasn't even running." Many others were expressing their admiration at the work. One said, "That's dedication. I gave up trying to push the wheelie bin to the end of the drive." Another said, "Somebody's had their Weetabix this morning." Additional reporting by Kathleen.